Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From today we are going to learn a game of chess. You can see the chessboard now. Before we set up the chess pieces on this board, it's better to look at the chessboard and identify all the squares. There are 64 squares, half of that white, half of that black. Normally 32 white squares and 32 dark color squares. Here you can see blue and white. On this chessboard you can find 3 paths or 3 roads because pieces are moving on the path. So we have to identify 3 paths from the chessboard. You can see there are numbers 1 to 8 and letters A to H. So the first one you can see this A. So A line, so A1 to A8. So there are 8 squares we identify as a A file. So next one is B file, C file, D file, like that there are 8 files. So numbers 4 naming the ranks. Your left side corner, left hand corner to right hand corner there are another 8 squares. So those 8 squares we remember as rank. So this is first rank. Next one is second rank, third rank, fourth rank, so on up to 8th rank. Okay. So A to H are files. Go your side to opposite side. So ranks are your left side corner to right side of your hand. Your right hand. Your left hand to right hand. So now you know 2 roads. File, and file represent A to H letters, and ranks with number 1 to number 8. Now I believe you understood very important thing. Now you know all the squares. You know everything has a name. So in your family, if there are 4 people, everybody got name like that. On chessboard there are 64 squares. All the squares get a name. This is A1, this is B1, this is C1, like that. All the squares get in name. So later we learn about the center. Center is more powerful on the chessboard. So center squares are D4. This is D5 and 4th rank. D4, D5, E4, E5. Okay. Right. Now you learn 2 parts on the chessboard, files and ranks. So next one is diagonal. Diagonal start from A1 to H8 or A2 to G8, like that. Angle. There are a lot of squares standing in angle. So we call this as a diagonal. So lot of diagonals there you can see. Here this is a little diagonal. This is bigger than previous one. And this is the longest one. A1 to H8. This is a long diagonal. And the other side also same. Look. H1 to A8. So there are 3 parts on the chessboard. File, rank, diagonal. Later when we learn about the pieces are moving on file, rank and diagonal. Thanks for today. See you then.